Okay, so here we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in Aura Black, 256 GB of storage, and I will do an unboxing of this one, and later on I will do a comparison to an Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's start with the box itself. As you can see here, an Aura Black. Really nice packaging. Samsung makes great packaging actually. So let's start by removing this plastic cover. Like so. And as you can see, there is a black pen to this one because it's an Aura Black version. So let's open the box. Like so. Here we have the phone itself, but let's start what's more in the box here. A SIM card pin, as you can see, and instructions and warranty and so on. Yes, it's instructions and warranties in this packaging. Okay, so here we have the phone itself, and we lift it like that. Really nice, really nice. Very light in the hand actually, very light. That's nice. And as you can see, really thin. Wow. And still a 6.7-inch display, and it doesn't feel so big actually. But we will see the phone later on. Let's see what's more in the box. Nice. Here we have the charger. And the cable for the charger. Of course, it's USB Type-C. USB Type-C in both ends, of course. And here we have some headphones. This phone doesn't have a headphone jack anymore, so this will be USB Type-C headphones actually. That's nice. That's what's in the box. So let's see the phone itself now. Let's remove this. Nice. It feels so good to do that. And here we see the Aura Black version. Looks nice. Really nice. It glimmers in this light. Very nice. And here we have the buttons on that side. So we have the power button and volume buttons on the same side now, and no Bixby button on this one. Feels very, very, very good in the hand. And the camera looks great. I like that it's not so much protruding, as you can see. Not so much protruding. Very nice color. I like this one very much. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So now let's see the Galaxy S10 Plus instead. So here we have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in Prism Black, as you can see there. Nice. And here is that one. Let's remove that. Prism Black, as you can see. Also a 6.4 inch display. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a 6.7 inch display, so it will be interesting to compare these two in size between each other. Here we have the volume button and the Bixby button, and here we have a power button. That's the difference from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus only have buttons on this side and no button on this one. So, Prism Black, and here we have the new Aura Black on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Aura Black and Prism Black. Looks gorgeous to me, both phones actually. So, here we have them in size, as you can see. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus there. As you can see, the Note 10 Plus is a bit higher than the S10 Plus, but the thickness is about the same, as you can see, and we can also compare them in the width, and the width is that the Note 10 Plus is a bit wider than the S10 Plus. Hard to show on a video, but I feel that. So the Note 10 Plus is wider than the S10 Plus. So both taller and wider. That makes the difference in screen size. 6.7 inch against 6.4 inch in screen size, as you can see. The rest in the box is identical to the Note 10 Plus, so no difference there. And now let's see the pen then. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a pen, not the S10 Plus. One push at the pen and then you can remove it. Nice. As you can see, the color is a fit to this Aura Black phone. Very light in the hand, feels very plastic though, very plastic. But as I said, it feels nice. And the edge of the pen is very smooth. Pretty interesting. Like that. So that was the pen too. So this was a hardware comparison. of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Looks fairly identical design wise actually. I think the S10 Plus is more rounder in the corners than the Note 10 Plus. The Note should always be a bit more rectangular in the design actually. They have always been that. And on the back we can see huge difference, the camera setup and so on. Looks nice. Both phones is very nice looking, I can really say. And I think the build quality is the best you can have when it comes to Android phones. Samsung phones has always had the best build quality of all, I think. So this was a video with both the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Both phones in the Plus size. And my favorite of these two is definitely the Note 10 Plus. The size is really nice. 6.7-inch display is something I really like. I want my phones as huge, as big as possible, because I use them as my main computers. So large phones is the way to go for me. Okay, bye.